Hey there, I'm Melody Stroud with Usborne Books and More, and I'd like to share with you how to create a Facebook VIP group for your customers. So we're on Facebook and we're going to go to Create over here, Group. Okay, name your group. Super fun. You can think of a fun name. It's good if it has your name in it to help people. So let's say um, Melody's. We're going to go simple. Melody's VIPs. Okay, great. Now add some people. Right now it is March 2018. So if you're watching this and it looks different, then you can just go to YouTube and in the search box you can type in Facebook groups 2000 whatever the year is, and you can find something to help you. So as of right now, you have to add somebody to your groups. I'm going to pick my friend Lauren. Okay, and then I like to make it I like to make it secret, and I like to pin it to shortcuts. And that just means it's going to show up over here on the side when I'm working on my laptop, on my desktop. It's going to show up just for ease. And then I'm going to create. Easy peasy. All right, an icon. These are really fun. I like to do a gift or whatever, music notes, whatever, or you can skip it if it's not your thing. All right, here we are. Now we need a cover photo. We need a group cover photo. So I'm going to show you how to make one. Okay, so again, it's March 2018. I'm going to go to canva.com. You're going to see that. All right, so as of right now, the group cover photos, I wrote them down for us. It's, oh goodness, okay, I forgot the zero. I'm like, well, that's not right. So these are our dimensions right now, 820 by 480. So I wrote them down on a sticky because these will change. Facebook changes them. It keeps you on your toes. I love to create graphics in Canva. So here I am. I'm going to go to use custom dimensions because chances are if I click on this, yeah, so the dimensions might not be right. So use custom dimensions and I'm going to put in 820 by 480 design. And then it's going to give us a blank template right here. Okay, so there we are. So you can do whatever you want here. Let's see. You can find a fun background. All here, if it says free, of course it's free. If you find something that doesn't, then it's usually just $1. Let's make it purple. We're going to put some text. Now, yours might look different from mine. I do have the business version of Canva, so I do pay a little bit each month just so I can really quickly find my favorite fonts. And any images that I upload, it saves them in special folders. So it's just a time saver for me. If you're going to be doing a lot of creating graphics and stuff, it might be worth it. So let's see. Melody's VIPs. Woo! Okay. And we're going to change the size. Make it really big. And what I love about Canva that PicMonkey does not have yet is you see how on the screen right there, you can see how it was centered. Like it showed you when it was centered. Those little lines come up. On PicMonkey, which is another great graphic creating site, it doesn't have those. So here we go, Melody's VIPs. Maybe I want to put in a picture. So I love branding. I love branding my business page, branding your VIP group. I think mascots are wonderful. For my personal one, see if I can show you. For my personal one, we'll go here. I have a peep. It's like an Easter bunny kind of peep, and I just love that. And it's been so much fun, especially right now. It's March. It's around Easter. So you can see I can get lots of peep stuff. So I'll show you what mine looks like. And I made this in Canva. It's got my face. I really think it's important for people to see your face. So I have a face, I've got my peep, I've got this stuff here. So you can see, oh, I need to approve some stuff. But anyway, so that's what mine looks like. And I did make it here in Canva. So you can get creative. If you want to upload, if you want to put a picture of yourself, I'll show you real quick what I like to do. So I'm going to show you how I make that circle with my face. So I just typed in circle up here, and I'm going to scroll down a little bit. And I'm going to find the one that has the, okay, this is the one I like right here. And it's free, even better. Now I can click here and change. Isn't that neat? I can change the thing right there. Okay. And we'll put that up here. And now I want my face. I click on uploads. I've already uploaded my face. But if not, if you are starting, you click there. Because I have the business version, you see how I have different little folders here. So maybe it's in business page. There's my little face. So I'm going to bring it, I'm just going to click and drag it, like it's going to drop right in there. How cool. I can double click and I can, make it bigger. I can make it smaller. I can move it around. And then I click this check mark. And there it is. And then I can make the whole thing smaller, bigger, whatever. I can turn it a little. Super fun. So that's how you make that at Melody's VIPs. I'll show you one other quick little tip. A lot of people don't know right off the bat with Canva. So say that I make it, 2 right there, 2 lines. Well, that's a lot of space. I don't like all that space. So look, you click on spacing and you can change. Move this down a little bit. And look, you can make it, look at that, closer. You can make it bigger, whatever you want. You can also change the letter spacing too. I liked it at where it was. So put that there. So really, really neat. Now, of course, if you were going to do a really nice design, you would want something on this other side right here. But we're just going to move on. So we would click download PNG. That's fine. And boop. And it's going to download. So how neat is that? So just create some kind of folder where you can keep all of your VIP group stuff. Let's see, file, save as. I'll just put it here for now and just click OK. And then let's go back to, okay, so we're here. We're going to upload our photo, Melody's VIPs. And it's really fun to change this out. You can change it out with, with the seasons or whatever. So you can see right here how the bottom got cut off a little bit. You can drag it up. I'm going to tell you that as of right now, March 2018, this is okay. I'm fine with this because on my phone, it's going to look right. So that's just part of it. So whenever I do create a new cover for my business page or for my VIP group, I always have my phone handy and I check I look to see what it looks like before I keep it for good, because it's going to look a little different on a desktop versus your phone. So if I like that there, I'll save changes. Now, I would recommend making something a little snazzier, but this just gets you going. And if you are a member of Usborne Books and More, we have a really great home office branding group right here that has just a whole bunch of different things to just beautiful graphics to choose from. So be sure to ask your upline team leader to add you to this group. Look at all this fun stuff that we have. That you could put there if you didn't want to create your own. Let's go back. I want to show you one more little tip. So you have this, you have your group here. Now, if you want to add members, what I suggest first is sending a private message to those people you would like to invite to your group. I know I don't like it when I'm just added to groups and nobody asked me. Maybe I didn't want to be added, right? Or maybe I'm fine with being added, but I really would have liked a personal, message saying, hey girl, I just started my VIP group. I would love to have you in there. May I add you? Really quick message. You can copy paste to people and let them know that you would personally love to see them added in your group. Social media is all about connecting, not collecting. I forget who said that quote, but I love it. It's my favorite quote about social media. So your VIP group is the place to really create that online community of people who love your product and like you. So be sure that you do share your own personal things in here too. There's a great rule called the 80-20 rule, where 80% of your content on social media is not about your product. You just want to have fun and entertain people and share your family and share parts of your personality. Just connect with people. And that other 20% is about selling your product. And if you have a great product, it's easy to do that. With books, goodness, it's children's books. They're fantastic. So I have no problem sharing that. And then your online community in your VIP group will grow. So yay. Okay, now I want to show you something really cool. So if you go to more right here, you can do edit group settings. Okay, so here's where you would want to put a quick description. Thank you for being here. This is my happy place. Join me at, my online bookstore or whatever. But definitely put a description. You can do a tag. Now, if you have a Facebook business page, here's where you can link your page. Look at that. So look, Melody Stroud, Usborne Book Corner. Click there. And it would link it. Okay. So it normally would, but I scheduled it to be deleted because it was a little test. This is my sample of what I used. I did a video on how to make a Facebook business page, and this is what I created. But it would link it if you weren't scheduled for deletion. Anyway, so let me see if I can go back. Okay, now, so linking your page, your business page, and your VIP group is great. Also, right here, this is great. So you see up here how it has all these numbers, right? Facebook.com groups, blah, 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 blah. You can change that. You can put here Melody's VIPs. Isn't that neat? So it's already taken. You can try adding something else on there. Your business, that's our business acronym, Usborne Books and More. Customize address. So it's going to take it a minute or two, but all these numbers up here will change. So that's great. Also, for your VIP group, I do recommend all group posts must be approved by admin or moderator, just because, it's just always good to check before people start posting to your group because it's your group. And then, let's see. Okay, so I would save that. Okay, now I would go to more, manage group, and let's see. Okay, what you want to do is you want to add somebody to your group and make them, let's see if I can, let's see, find it more. What I'm trying to do, maybe it's not on this page. Anyway, I think it's in the other. What you want to do before time runs out, make somebody else an admin with you. Make somebody else able to get into this group in case you get locked out or your identity gets stolen. So your husband, your best friend, make them an admin. Thanks so much and good luck with your new VIP group. Bye.